compilation videos on YouTube, and you'll laugh your ass off. And your dad is awesome, by the way. Mr. Leosa, I like how you're so open to answers. And before I go, I have to ask: farts or burps, which feels better or is funnier? I prefer farts. Sorry, had to ask. I like both. I mean, the thing. Well, no, actually, burps could stink too. Burps and farts are wonderful, man. They're natural. They're a way to relieve yourself. They're funny. They're entertaining. I like them both. I think the world, it's a perfect harmony having both farts and burps. Have a good night, Mr. Leosa. And I missed another super chat here. Holy super chats. With Microsoft, the new studio, the initiative seeking to create a quadruple A experience. What's one area you wish games would improve upon drastically?